Hey everyone, this is the new Apple Watch SE Nike edition. This is my first Apple Watch and so I'm very excited. I ordered it directly from Apple's Indian website and just got delivered. So I thought I'll make a quick unboxing of this Apple Watch and show you what all do we get inside this box. So yeah, let's start. One thing which you notice is that we get this black box. I think it's exclusive only to the Nike edition, if I'm not wrong. So yeah. It's one of the most premium unboxings I've done. Okay, how do we open? Yeah. Oh, so you get two boxes. One is the watch and one is the strap. I ordered this black strap, Nike strap with it. Some paperwork designed for athletes by Apple and Nike. I doubt you get stickers. Yeah, no stickers. You get this charging. Yeah, the charger for charging the Apple Watch. Sadly, no charging brick. Wow, this looks sleek. I mean, this is the first time I'm holding an Apple Watch actually. So this is the 44mm GPS with cellular, and with cellular you get this red ring at the ground. We see the strap. Okay. Right. This is the anthracite black one. Oh, where's the band? Oops. Yeah. So you get two bands, a shorter one and a larger one. I'm sorry, a longer one. Wow, it just looks premium. Has this Nike sign. If I could, you see that? That's the cellular ring, red ring. This looks sleek. Okay. So this was one of those messy unboxings, but I hope you like it. I'm gonna probably attach and show you how it looks. I'm a noob when it comes to the Apple Watch, so I'm gonna do my best and
from 2 hours later.
So ideally I should have read the manual first before attempting all the funny stunts which I tried. And now I have the watch with the band all set, and you just choose your size. Okay, this is not like the conventional watch. You attach it probably a little tighter, and then you tuck this inside. Yeah, looks good. Probably this is how you start. Alright, we are set. Two of my favorite brands, Nike and Apple. I mean, it's a perfect combination. And for the band, it feels very light, very compact. So it's going to take a few more minutes to set everything up. So I'm going to end the video here. Do let me know in the comment section if you want me to make more videos on the Apple Watch SE in general and the Nike edition specifically. I'll see you in the next one. This is my G-Shock DW5600. It's not going anywhere. I mean, probably gonna rock both of them together. I know I'm gonna look funny, but this is my everyday watch, and